Oliver from Park Row has a question about licensed contractors.
Well, this one starts with a Harvey flooded home, Tom. Oliver writes, I live on about 23 acres with a septic system. FEMA has agreed to replace it and some of the electrical system, too, and they sent somebody out to do the work. But I learned that they're not licensed. They said FEMA will send somebody else out to approve the work once it's done. Okay, so Tom, Oliver wants to know, is this common with FEMA?
I didn't know they sent people out to do the work. Usually you have to get the money and you get them done, get the work done. Now with septic systems, you have people that are licensed in the counties that work in those counties that pull the permits and they follow the regulations in the counties because that is controlled throughout the state. There's no doubt about it. And then with electricians, it's licensed by the state and you have to have a licensed electrician. You have a master electrician and then under the master you have a journeyman and an apprentice. That's the layers of it, and they have to work under a master's license if you want to have a licensed contractor, which we highly recommend when it comes to electricians. So this whole idea about FEMA sending some guys out that have no licenses, I question why that's happening because it sounds like somebody's getting a little money on the backside because they're getting a buddy to have some work. That's the first thing that comes to my head, and I'm a little skeptical about what I'm reading. What are the odds? Now, maybe that's not true, but licensed contractors with septic and with electrical, you should use them.
And what you should do is send us more questions. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com or take a look at more of our videos. And after that, you'll want to subscribe to our channel.